ELEV8 is an enriching after-school program for students in Baltimore City. I'm Janae Wright, and after an announcement that funding from the federal government which supports this type of programming was cut, the after-school program decided to expand. On March 28th, the Department of Education told states they were going to stop giving them access to hundreds of millions of dollars in grants from the American Rescue Plan Act and the Coronavirus Relief Act.
After-school programs were being cut because of federal resources being pulled away. We had to think, from a family perspective, how was this going to impact families that use childcare, that need childcare and use after-school programs as their main source of childcare.
So ELEV8 decided to expand its reach in hopes of picking up where other programs are unable to remain. And although it is expanding the program, the staff and resources are the same.
How can we create more with the same?
Alexandria Warwick Adams says they decided to increase the number of students paired with each site leader by 5 slots to make room for more students.
Even if it's 10 extra slots, those 10 students are those 10 students that are in the most need and those families that need it the most.
She says although this is a small change, it is really important.
We're doing the work to repair the relationships between children and adults, where young people can say, yes, I do have a caring adult on my side that I can go to if times get hard, and then that person is snatched away because of politics. So that is where we are really trying to mitigate that loss, because it takes a long time for young people to trust.
But because of the federal cuts, ELEV8 is not able to expand its summer program, which Adams says is just as important. But the organization plans to work with other nonprofits to see if there's a way to increase summer programs, especially for children who can't simply go to rec centers.
So it's not, a world-changing opportunity, but it really is saying that we can do more.
And ELEV8 is looking for volunteers and has job openings for the summer and after-school programs later in the year. And the organization is also open to receiving donations to keep the programs going. Janae Wright, WMAR 2 News.